This video training will walk you through the process of creating a new WebAssign course that is linked with your LMS course. Let's start by navigating to a content page where you would like to add your WebAssign course level link. A content page may be named something other than content at your institution, but you'll know you're in the correct place if you can see the Partner Content menu. Choose the Partner Content dropdown and then select Content Market. From the list of available partners, select Cengage. The first time that you connect, you'll be asked to link your Blackboard account with your Cengage faculty account. Enter your email address and password and then click Login. Here you'll select the type of product you want to search and add to your course. Homework platforms and ebooks, Cengage Infuse and ebooks, or just ebooks. Once you've made your selection, your search will only bring up the products that fall into that category, providing for a more streamlined search experience. To find your WebAssign product, choose Add Homework Platform. You can search by title, author, and keyword. Once you've located your title, click on the Link to Course button to begin the course creation process. If your search comes up with Title Not Found, you may be searching in the wrong category. Simply click the Back to Cengage link to return to the Content Category Selection screen. If you still do not see the title you're looking for, connect with your Cengage account executive or learning consultant. You'll next be prompted to create your WebAssign course. This video will focus on the first option, which will result in creating a new course. For the course name, we recommend including the name, term, and any section information for your course. For the class start date, enter the date you expect students to start using WebAssign. If your course requires students to purchase an access code, the date that you enter in here will represent the first day of the temporary access period. The course end date is the last date that students can access the course. Finally, select your time zone and then click Continue. On the next page, click Continue again. You'll then be redirected back to Blackboard. The default location will be the content page where you started this process, but you can browse for a new location if needed. Click Submit. Your WebAssign course level link is now available in Blackboard, placed at the bottom of the content page. You can easily click and drag your link to the desired location. We also recommend editing the link name to make it clear to students that this is where they will access and register for WebAssign. Both you and your students will now use this link to access WebAssign. At this time, you will now need to go into WebAssign and schedule your assignments. This process is covered in separate training materials. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites.